Let's talk about Venus in Sagittarius today. People having Venus in Sagittarius are attracted to people who are fun loving and who are not just fun loving but who are open to new experiences, and adventures in life. And Venus being in this sign is not considered bad because according to Vedic astrology, Venus and Jupiter both are inimical. Okay, both are inimical to each other, but that doesn't make this placement bad, because at the end of the day, Jupiter is the most benefic planet in the zodiac belt. Okay, and they are blessed that they attract a fortunate and a wealthy partner. This is their blessing. They love to help them out, and they mostly attract people with their big laugh, dreams, their big planning and their schemes and all. They look at the big picture in their life. They might avoid the the details in anything, but they are visionaries. They can see, they love to see the future and all. Okay, basically, and they are happy. If you want to attract them or be with them, you want to please them. Basically, if you want to please them, then just give them a lot of room to grow. Okay, they themselves are clumsy, but they do not like emotional overkill. They like their freedom, they like their independence, and they are always open to experience. They are, by nature, they are philosophical, spiritual. They love to travel a lot, and if you want to be with them, just philosophize with them. And if they have initiated a topic, you can debate with them. They will like that. And just be ready and just be open to experience different experience in life, because that is something that keeps them going. Okay, and one negative thing with this placement is, like, when the going gets tough in the relationship, they feel an overwhelming need to run away. So this is not always bad, because because it's like, if they are out for some experience, and for to recharge themselves, to charge them, to handle the situation. So this is good also, not always bad, that these lovers do not commit immediately. They need their time, they need to get settled in a relationship. As I said, they are independence lovers. Okay, so that is the reason. And people with this placement, as I said, love to go on adventures or travel to any kind of new experience. They will welcome it. Okay, so that's it today for Venus in Sagittarius, and next time I will come up with Venus in Libra. Okay, bye guys, take care. No. Bye, enjoy.